Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. Today this is third video. Consistently on the third days I am uploading this system because this is so much powerful. Here we got the sell entry. Okay, in this candle we got the sell entry. Okay, and our target is this line. Okay, and for the 1 minute scalping in the gold, there is no other best setup like this one. Okay, now I will show you the details how you can get a lot. I will show you a lot of entries as well. Okay, in this setup you will see there is a cloud type, this one. Okay, this is actually a trend identification. Okay, let me show you the trend identification first, because it will identify the trend. Because if you are trader and if you will trade according to the trend, yes, market will going to give you the profit. But if you will not follow the trend, market is not going to give you profit. Okay, just follow the trend. And if for example, if this is the sell trend, you can see market going upside, but the second indicator will identify where the exact position you have need to open your position. Okay, here you can see, first look at this trend identification, looks amazing. Okay, like trend was downside here, trend was downside, but I will show you this entries. Okay, and at this level, but after that you can see this was the buy setup and this amazing and lot of entries. Okay, but let me show you, we will the second indicator actually will identify this one. Okay, let me show you, there are a lot of buy and sell signal. Only follow the signal by using the trend, that's fine. Okay, you can say that's not confirmed trades, but you will get accuracy of around 60%, 65%. But if you will try to help with the RSI, yes, you will get the accuracy of 90 to 95%. Okay, if you will say why not 100%, yes, and there is nothing 100%. Okay, so here we go, let me show you first here. If first we will find out the trend. Okay, trend is green, so we have need to follow buy signal. So without a trend confirmation, if you will follow like this one, here you can see, without just follow the trend and follow the buy and sell signal, like green cloud, that's mean buy trend, follow buy signals, only follow buy signals. Okay, that's fine. Okay, this actually good one, not a bad at all. Like this one, sell one, and you got the profit. So that actually good one. Okay, okay, let's follow. Let me show you some more. Okay, this one actually trade as not successful. Okay, this is not successful. I will show you why this is not profitable trade. Otherwise, except this one, hopefully we will get all the signal profitable. Like this one, buy signal. Okay, and the buy signal as well, that you got the profit. Okay, we will see you, I will show you. These are not confirmed. Okay, these are just not confirmed signal. The confirmed signals, for the confirmed signal you have need to watch the RSI. Okay, if you will follow the RSI, yes, it is giving you a very good result. Let me show you how. Here we go. Here, let me show you some more. Okay, from this point we have need to watch the RSI. RSI must be upside from the upper band line. Okay, and the candle must close below from the RSI. These are candle upside. Okay, but this candle is coming below from the RSI. Okay, and the RSI must come upside from the upper band line. This is your sell position, open your sell position, and do not need to worry about anything. Okay, and you can see, you can close your trade here. Okay, now again here at this point, sell position, close your position. Okay, at this point you got the trend buy. Okay, so we will wait for the buy signal. Okay, we did not get the buy signal. Okay, you can see we did not get any buy signal. Okay, okay, now here at this point the trend was downside, so we will follow the sell signal, but we did not get any. Okay, here at this point we got the buy signal, and you can see, so you can open your buy position at this point, and you can close the trade when candle touch to the upper band line. That's it. Here we got the buy signal because the RSI is coming below from the lower band line. So we got the buy signal. We did not get the buy signal. It does not affect. But just look at the RSI. RSI must close, must come upside, downside from the lower band line, and this is your position. Okay, and close your position at this point. Okay, here you can see, now at this point you can open your buy position. Just wait, and here you can see you can open your one more position and hold it, because the market is consistently on the sideways, and at the end you got the very good profit. Okay, and here you can see if RSI come downside from the lower band line at this point, so open your buy position. Okay, and you can close your trade here at this point. Okay, because the trend is now changed. Okay, so you can close your trade here. Okay, so at this point you have need to watch, either you got the loss, no, your entry point and your closing point at this point, this is your closing entry, so you got the loss, no, of course not. Okay, so here you can see cloud RSI come upside from the prevent line, and the candle must close below from this, we got the entry. Okay, and then you can see results really amazing. Okay, so we will wait for the sell entry here. You can see we got one more entry at this point, and you can close your trade here. Okay, okay, now at this point this was our lost trade. No, this was not a lost trade, because here you got the you got the entry, you can close your trade here. Okay, so this is not a lot trade, you can open buy position and close the trade here. We will wait for another entry and wait for the RSI. Yes, here you can see RSI come below from the low, so you can open your buy position, and you can see, so another position, another position profitable. Okay, let's find out more here. This is position buy, this is your buy position. Okay, let's find out more entries here. Okay, here you can see buy position, amazing profit. Okay, we are waiting for the buy position, this was the buy position, but unfortunately trend is now change, so at this point we can open your buy position. Now at this point you can open more positions. Okay, and now at the end you got amazing profit. Okay, when you the trend change, you do not need to change open your position. When the trend change like red one, then wait for the sell entry. Okay, like this one is your buy, trend is changed to the buy one, so we will wait for the buy entry like this one, this is your buy entry, and then you can see results amazing. Okay, like me show some more entry here at this candle, this was your sell entry and book profit here. Okay, here this is actually very close, so you can open your sell positions, and then at the end you can see, now this was the entry, most recent entry. Now you can see you can close your trade at this point. This is the live demo example. Okay, I was just making the video, we got the entry, and now see from your eyes, this is a live demo example of your entry. Okay, so this is really amazing setup, so that is the why I make third video of this setup. At the end of the day, for example, in the day you got 2 entries, 3 entries, but profitable entries. Okay, maybe you will get 3 entries, maybe you get 5 entries, maybe sometime you will get 10 entries, but there is only not a, because this setup is not only working on the gold, you can use it in the euro USD, jpy, jpy, this one you can see, this one amazing first entry, this is your second entry. Okay, this one third entry. Okay, in the fourth one, in the 1 minute time frame, oh sorry, this one buy entry, buy one. Okay, buy one. Okay, close your trade, now open your sell position at this point. Okay, as you can see, amazing. Okay, you can open your position here, you can open your position here, you can open your sell position one more time. Results is really amazing. You can use a JPY. Okay, this was very close but did not get the entry. Okay, okay, now the here you can see trend is now changing here. Trend is now changing here, but we did not get the RSI. Okay, or wait for the RSI come below, then we will open our buy position. Okay, so here let me show USD chef. Yes, we got the buy entry. This is your live entries example. Okay, amazing result. Okay, this one, amazing result. Okay, this one, at this, look at this one, amazing. Okay, look at this one, mind blowing. Okay, okay, look at this, amazing. Okay, in the 1 minute time frame USD chip, you can use it in any time frame. Okay, there is no issue. Okay, this one actually good one entry. Okay, sell entry, and lot of example, there are lot of example like this one. Okay, trend was strongly downside. Here you can see buy trend, now the sell trend. After that you can see we got the buy trend and suddenly change the trend, so it will identify the trend is now downside. So that is the advantage of this setup. Okay, it will give you at that and timely we will give alert. Okay, so if you need this indicator, indicators are paid, not free of cost, but free in few dollars you will get the whole setup. To get to contact me, WhatsApp, Telegram, write one at the end if you want to contact me on Telegram, and Gmail, simpleoga@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Any further query, any question, yes, you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.